What's good, guys? Thanks for tuning into my channel and for tuning to another Loc and Life Vibe session with your girl. I'm here to share with you guys my two and a half week update with regards to keto and intermittent fasting. Guys, I shared with you in my back to keto and intermittent fasting that I would be re-implementing keto and intermittent fasting back into my lifestyle after falling off back in August of 2018. I also shared with you guys that I would come periodically and give you guys an update on where we are. And I'm not really concerned, guys, with the first few weeks of keto and intermittent fasting, because roughly the first 1-2 weeks, 7 to 14 days, you're really losing water weight. And so, guys, I started out with another start weight of 209 pounds. Weighed in this morning at 195 pounds, which means I lost 13 pounds in roughly 2.5 weeks. Guys, let me let you know again that this is mostly consisted of water weight. I'm ready to get down to the meat of the matter, okay? I'm ready to get down to the fat of the matter. And that's when I'm going to get excited, when I start seeing myself actually shedding real pounds. I also share with you guys that I will be sharing some meal plans with you. And guys, like most of us on keto and intermittent fasting, we do repeat meals. When you have figured out your daily calorie intake, when you figured out what your macros are in a particular meal, you will repeat meals. And so for the most part, guys, I've been doing loaded salads with some type of grilled meat on top. I am consuming 1,500 calories a day in one meal, guys. So I'm fasting for 20 hours a day, and I have a 4-hour eating window where I consume my 1,500 calories for the day, and then it's right back into fasting mode. I go. Healthy fats, I'm doing MCT oil. Guys, if you want to know more about that, check out my back to keto and intermittent fasting, and I will also bring you guys some reviews on the particular MCT oil that I'm taking once I finish taking it, because it is a new MCT oil that I'm taking. So I want to see how this works before I bring you guys the information on this particular brand of MCT oil that I am currently taking. But MCT oil is definitely a healthy fat. Coconut oil is definitely a healthy fat. Avocados and avocado oil are definitely healthy fats, and I'm getting those healthy fats into my diet every day, guys. I can say on this third week that the mental clarity is the bomb, baby. And that's one of the benefits of keto. As you begin to deplete your body of unnecessary nonsense, brain fog will begin to dissipate. And so that's been my experience, guys, and I'm feeling good. When I started keto and intermittent fasting the last time, between the months of June 18th and August 31st, I lost 35 pounds. I started keto back then at a start weight of 211 pounds and ended roughly somewhere around 165, 170. If you like to know how I fell off, please check out my back to keto and intermittent fasting video. I will put it down in the description area for you to catch up on how your girl fell off. As always, I appreciate your presence on my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you so desire. I will see your beautiful faces in the next video.